something that makes email really powerful is your ability to split test emails to see what works best. You can test different formats, different wording, different calls to action. So something powerful that you can do is split test things that you're going to be able to use again. So for example, you can send a broadcast message in 2 different ways, and then whichever one works better, send it as part of your follow-up sequence. Or maybe you want to see what kind of format works better. We talked about formatting, but you can test it, see which one gets a better result, which one gets more calls to action. So the way to create a split test is to go to Messages and then Broadcasts, and you'll get to right the screen. And then instead of creating a broadcast, which is how you create a regular email, just click here on Create a Split Test. To do this, you'll need at least 100 subscribers, and the more you have, the more accurate it will be, obviously. Then you can decide how many emails you want to break it into. Probably 2 is best, just so you can test 2 things side by side, and then what percentage of your subscribers will go to each email. So you go to 50, 50, and then save split test. And then when you do that, it'll be saved as 2 separate emails that you'll have to edit separately, and just make one change for each email. Don't do like 2 completely different emails. Make one change to see which variable works best. And again, this works best when you have bigger numbers. And even if you don't have bigger numbers, try different variables. And if one of them wins, don't assume that it's a scientific winner. Try it over and over and see if it was just a fluke because it's not a big enough sample size, or really that thing that you're testing works better.